Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of vegan dinners with 10 easy recipes that even your non-vegan friends will love. We're talking about flavor explosions, happy taste buds and satisfied bellies, all while being kind to our animal friends and the planet. So, grab your aprons, put on your happy music, and let's get cooking some amazing vegan dinners. Let's start with a classic, spaghetti bolognese, vegan style. Finely chop onions, carrots and celery and sauté them in olive oil until soft and fragrant. Add your plant-based protein, lentils, mushrooms or crumbled tempeh, and cook until browned. Pour in crushed tomatoes, a dash of red wine and your favorite Italian herbs. Let it simmer while you cook the spaghetti to al dente perfection. Combine the sauce and spaghetti and serve with vegan parmesan and fresh basil. Enjoy this hearty, comforting dish. Need a quick dinner? This chickpea curry is your answer. Sauté curry paste with chopped onions, garlic and ginger until fragrant. Add diced tomatoes, coconut milk and chickpeas and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Serve over rice or with naan bread and add a squeeze of lime juice for a zing. Dinner is served. Mac and cheese is a joy for all ages, and this vegan version is creamy and comforting. Cook your pasta according to package directions. In a saucepan, melt vegan butter and whisk in flour to create a roux. Slowly whisk in plant-based milk and bring to a simmer. Add nutritional yeast, turmeric, garlic powder, salt and pepper. Pour the sauce over cooked pasta and stir until coated. For an extra touch, bake with breadcrumbs until golden brown. Meal prep Buddha bowls are packed with nutrients and flavor. Cook your grains, quinoa or brown rice. Roast your favorite veggies, broccoli, sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts. Prepare your protein, chickpeas, lentils, tofu or tempeh. Season and cook until done. Assemble bowls with grains, veggies, protein, leafy greens, hummus, nuts and dressing. These bowls will keep you satisfied all week long. Enjoy your healthy, delicious meals. Get ready for game day with these cauliflower buffalo wings. Cut cauliflower into bite-sized florets. Whisk together flour, plant-based milk and spices. Dip florets in batter and bake until golden brown. Make buffalo sauce with vegan butter, hot sauce and maple syrup. Toss baked cauliflower in the sauce. Serve with vegan ranch or blue cheese dressing. Vegan stuffed peppers are hearty and perfect for a cozy dinner. These delightful peppers are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients, making them a wholesome choice for any meal. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just looking to incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet, this recipe is sure to become a favorite. Let's dive into the steps to create this comforting dish. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is heating up, prepare your peppers. Choose vibrant, firm bell peppers of any color you prefer. Slice the tops off and carefully scoop out the seeds and membranes. This creates a perfect cavity for our delicious filling. Next, heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add finely chopped onions and minced garlic, sautéing until they become fragrant and translucent. Then add in your choice of veggies. Mushrooms are a great option for their earthy flavor and meaty texture. You can also add other vegetables like zucchini, which adds a nice crunch and freshness to the mix. Continue to sauté until all the vegetables are tender and well combined. For a burst of sweetness, toss in some corn kernels. Now it's time to add the cooked grains. Quinoa, rice and lentils are excellent choices that provide a hearty and satisfying base for the stuffing. Mix everything together until well incorporated. In a separate bowl, combine diced tomatoes, black beans and a blend of your favorite spices. Fresh cilantro adds a burst of flavor and a touch of color. Stir everything together until the mixture is evenly seasoned. Now it's time to fill the pepper halves with the mixture. Use a spoon to pack the filling tightly into each pepper, ensuring they are generously stuffed. To keep the peppers moist while baking, add a bit of water or vegetable broth to the bottom of your baking dish. This will create steam and help cook the peppers evenly. Cover the dish with aluminum foil and place it in the preheated oven. Bake for about 35, 40 minutes or until the peppers are tender and the filling is heated through. For an extra touch of indulgence, sprinkle some vegan cheese on top of the stuffed peppers just before serving. Let it melt slightly, adding a creamy finish to this comforting dish. Enjoy your hearty and delicious vegan stuffed peppers. This vegan shepherd's pie is warm, hearty, and flavorful. It's a delightful twist on the traditional recipe, perfect for those who are looking to enjoy a comforting meal without any animal products. Whether you're a long-time vegan or just trying to incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet, this dish is sure to satisfy your cravings. Start by sautéing onions, carrots, and celery in a large skillet until they are softened and fragrant. This combination of vegetables forms the aromatic base of our shepherd's pie, adding depth and richness to the overall flavor. Next, add your choice of plant-based ground meat. Lentils, mushrooms, or tempeh work wonderfully here. These ingredients not only provide a meaty texture, but also pack in plenty of protein and nutrients, making the dish both hearty and nutritious. Stir in diced tomatoes, frozen peas, a mix of your favorite herbs, and some vegetable broth. This combination creates a savory and slightly tangy filling that complements the plant-based meat perfectly. The peas add a pop of color and sweetness, while the herbs infuse the dish with a wonderful aroma. Allow the mixture to simmer gently on the stove while you prepare the mashed potatoes. This simmering process helps all the flavors meld together beautifully, resulting in a rich and cohesive filling. For the mashed potatoes, boil peeled and chopped potatoes until they're tender. Then mash them with plant-based milk, vegan butter, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper. The plant-based milk and butter ensure the potatoes are creamy and smooth, while the seasoning enhances their natural flavor. Pour the savory filling into a baking dish, spreading it out evenly. Then carefully spoon the mashed potatoes over the top, creating a thick, fluffy layer. This contrast between the hearty filling and the creamy potatoes is what makes shepherd's pie so comforting and satisfying. Use a fork to rough up the surface of the mashed potatoes. This step is not just for aesthetics, it helps create a crispy, golden brown crust as the pie bakes, adding a delightful texture to each bite. Bake the shepherd's pie in a preheated oven until the filling is bubbly and the potatoes are golden brown. This baking process ensures that all the flavors meld together perfectly and the top becomes irresistibly crispy. Serve your hot vegan shepherd's pie with a side of green beans or a fresh salad. These sides add a nice crunch and freshness, balancing out the rich and hearty main dish. Enjoy this plant-based twist on a classic comfort food. Lentil tacos are delicious and budget-friendly. Cook lentils according to package directions. Prepare tacos seasoning with chili powder, cumin, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne. Cook lentils with olive oil and seasoning. Warm tortillas and fill with lentil mixture. Top with your favorite taco toppings. This tofu stir-fry is quick, easy, and protein-packed. Perfect for a busy weeknight or a lazy weekend. This dish comes together in no time and is sure to satisfy your taste buds. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen newbie, you'll find this recipe straightforward and rewarding. Let's dive into the steps to create this delicious meal. Start by pressing the tofu to remove excess moisture. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect texture. While the tofu is being pressed, chop your veggies. Begin with broccoli, cutting it into bite-sized florets. Next, move on to bell peppers, slicing them into thin strips. Carrots should be chopped into small rounds, and snap peas can be left whole or halved, depending on your preference. The variety of vegetables not only adds color, but also a range of nutrients to your dish. Now let's prepare the stir-fry sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together soy sauce, rice vinegar, maple syrup, cornstarch, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. This combination creates a perfect balance of salty, sweet, and tangy flavors with a hint of heat. The cornstarch will help thicken the sauce, ensuring it clings to every piece of tofu and vegetable. Once the tofu is pressed, cut it into cubes. Heat some oil in a skillet over medium-high heat and add the tofu cubes. Cook them until they turn golden brown on all sides. This step is essential for giving the tofu a crispy exterior while keeping the inside tender. With the tofu cooked, it's time to add the vegetables to the skillet. Toss in the broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, and snap peas. Stir-fry them until they are tender crisp, which means they should be cooked but still have a bit of crunch. This ensures the veggies retain their vibrant colors and nutrients. Pour the prepared stir-fry sauce over the tofu and vegetables. Make sure to stir everything well so that the sauce evenly coats all the ingredients. The aroma at this point will be irresistible, filling your kitchen with the delightful scent of soy, vinegar, and maple syrup. Continue to cook the stir-fry until the sauce thickens and coats everything beautifully. This should take just a few minutes. The cornstarch in the sauce will help it to thicken quickly, creating a glossy finish that clings to the tofu and vegetables. Your tofu stir-fry is now ready to be served. You can enjoy it over a bed of steamed rice or toss it with some cooked noodles. Both options are delicious and will complement the flavors of the stir-fry perfectly. For the final touch, garnish your dish with freshly chopped green onions and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. These simple additions add a burst of freshness and a bit of crunch, making your meal not only tasty, but also visually appealing. Enjoy your quick, easy, and protein-packed tofu stir-fry. End with a decadent vegan chocolate mousse. Use aquafaba, the liquid from a can of chickpeas. Whip aquafaba with an electric mixer until stiff peaks form. Melt vegan chocolate chips and let cool slightly. Fold melted chocolate into whipped aquafaba. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Top with berries, vegan whipped cream, or cocoa powder. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed these easy vegan dinner recipes. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with friends and family. From my kitchen to yours, happy cooking.